How to download and install Capcut on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download and install Capcut on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to do this on an Android device, but the process will be very similar for other devices. Okay, so first head over to the Play Store, then tap on the search bar on the top of the screen, and then do a search for Capcut. Tap on the app in the search results, and then tap on the green install button in the middle of the screen. Enter in any passwords or IDs that it requests of you to install this app, and then wait for the installation process to be completed. This process may take up to a few minutes to be completed. Once completed, tap on the green open button to launch the app. And that's what it takes to download and install Capcut on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.